can I combine a teaspoon of Cordyceps, Astragalus, and black ginger and just drink it without any water? Sounds like a challenge, and challenge accepted. I've got them in here, just straight powders, and we're gonna see how this goes. Now, do not attempt this at home. I'm a trained professional who has been consuming straight powders for well over a decade. But I don't know if I've never had these three in combination, just powder before, so it'll be a little bit new. Let's go. It's like the cinnamon challenge, but much more interesting. Okay, there you go. It can be done. I don't advise it. It's not necessarily the most pleasant way to enjoy these herbs, and it would probably be a lot easier in a bit of water. Now, before you go, here's a link to a video that I think you'd enjoy watching next. And here's a link to a video YouTube thinks you'd enjoy watching next. And there's a link to our website. I'm gonna go have some water.